going to share with you one of the important apps you need to have in your phone. This is before and this is after, and you can see the background image of this is gone. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I want to be sharing with you something that every new YouTuber needs to get to know. Now, why is this even important? Many people are confused. They don't know what to use to start. Okay, I know that we are familiar with these excuses. I don't have a good phone. I don't have this. I don't have that. But I want to tell you that you can start with what you have at hand. No, those excuses, close those doors. I don't want to hear those excuses. Those excuses are not necessary. The only thing that is stopping you from starting that channel is you yourself. And because of that, I've been able to come up with this video. This is going to help you know the free tool you're going to use to start your YouTube channel as a newbie, from zero idea, from no understanding of how this thing works. And you need this app because, one, you might not have to be going to the studio to be taking pictures of yourself whenever you want to do your video, right? And maybe you want to use it for your thumbnail and all of that. You wouldn't want to be going to the studio to be snapping pictures and, just because you are shooting a video. That would be so stressful. So I'm here to solve that problem. If this looks like something you would love to learn, sit tight and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification so you don't miss any of my video. And remember, if this is the first time of you coming across my profile, this is Build and Brand with Kui, and in this channel I'm sharing everything about my YouTube journey, what is working, what is flopping, everything about YouTube journey. It's a great channel, so you are welcome. Feel free and relax. Without much ado, let's move into the first app that we have here. Yes, you probably know this app, and maybe it's a known app, exactly, but there's something I wanted to know. You can use this app and start shooting even a professional video. Okay, this video that you are listening to and watching now, everything is done using this app. I don't have to go to another app to do it and bring here, but everything is done using this particular app, and it's a free version. You can upgrade to the pro version when you are financially stable, and maybe later when you become a big creator, you can employ someone to work as a video editor for you. But for now, let's start with what we have. Number one here is Peachy. Okay, this app here is a very important app every new YouTuber needs to have in his or her phone. Okay, what is this app used for? This app can help you sharpen the image, any image of your choice. Once you're done taking the image using your phone, you take it to this app and sharpen it. I'm going to give you everything you need to know on how you can get this done with your phone without having to pay someone. You can even do it with another person's picture and you are paid for it. That is, you can even earn a living doing it for other people. Are you ready to know this? Now let's move into the demonstration of this app. And the second one, before we move into the demonstration, the second one is CapCut. You already know how to use CapCut, right? It's very simple, direct, and we have videos all over YouTube on how you can use CapCut to edit your video and get what you need. Like, I'm going to drop the link of the video, the best video I've been able to source for, in the description of this video. So you go there, click watch, and see how you can edit your video without any stress. And remember, it's still free. I will also have the paid version. So let's get to know how we can sharpen our image and make it better for our thumbnail. Okay, so head over to your mobile phone, go to your Play Store, and type in this particular app here. Okay, Peachy, Peachy, and you already have it pop up here. Peachy photo editor. So you can pick the first one. You see option that is given to you. I want to show you this specific one that you are to use. Don't use any other one apart from the one I'm going to show you. So you see this one, I already have this one, Peachy AI face and body editor. So you already have, they already have this installed into my phone. So what I need to do, go ahead and open it. Once you're done installing it into your phone, you allow it to open. If you are new to this app, you are going to sign up for free. Yes, sign up for free, because I already have an account. That's the reason why it's taking me to this dashboard. Then once you're done, everything is set. You go ahead and hit gallery. All right, then you already have all my pictures are here. All my pictures are here. Whatever thing I want to do is here. So what picture am I going to edit now? Let me edit one for you to see how it works. So go ahead and pick this one. Go ahead and you have this, right? Then first you're going to do settings, AI retouch, and of course you smooth it. Click on this smooth. You've seen the changes, right? It's becoming clearer now. You can adjust it if you want. If you don't want it to be too sharp, you can adjust it. Can all these buttons for to use it and edit this. Then you click this smoother. I want to, like I said, I'm trying to work on my next thumbnail. Okay. Then I want my eyeball, I want the eyes to open a bit, like increase. So I'm going to click on these details where you have this eye and increase it. You see, my eyes are increasing. You see, you can reduce it. Oh wow, are you seeing the changes already? Okay, so let's use AI retouch. This AI retouch is going to smooth the skin of that picture, making it more beautiful. If you actually have some scars or something, it's going to take it off if it's not clear enough. So use it. Okay, please take your time and follow the process so you don't miss out any part of the process, the steps. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. Do you like this? So I can, if I'm okay with this, if I'm satisfied with this, I can go ahead and save it. But if I'm not satisfied, all these buttons are for you to use it to edit. If you want to brighten it, you can increase the brightness. Okay, you can increase the brightness. So I increase the brightness. I love what I'm seeing and I love it this way. What else? So everything here is for you to use. Okay, so don't feel don't be limited. Of course, this face is a premium for premium user, but we still have the free one. The one you see, the yellow dots close by, those are for premium. So you can upgrade to premium to start using some of the amazing tips here and amazing features here. You can, the eyes. So if I want to increase the eyes, okay, I can actually increase it. See, the eyes have increased a bit. I want to reduce it. So you see, so this is what new creators or every small creator needs to have, so that you'll be able to get what you are looking for. So I'm done with this. I'm going to download this into my phone. So, wow, that was simple and straight to the point. Now you are done editing the image, the picture you want to use for your next thumbnail or for your design or whatever you want to use it for. All right, so if you don't like the picture the way it is, like the background of the picture, so you can edit and remove the background free of charge. Remember, you're not using any paid tools here. If you take it to Canva, you'll be required to pay. If you take it to CapCut, you'll be required to pay. But how would you edit your image free of charge without using a paid version or paid tool? Follow me along. Let me take you through the journey. And in your next edit, remember to use this particular website to do your background removal. I want to remove the background of that image we finished editing. Go ahead and hit your Chrome, of course, and it will take you into this interface. Of course, this Google. So type in bg.remove. So already I've been using this, so you will have it bg.remove. bg.remove or remove. Okay, it's remove.bg. Yes, remove.bg. That is remove background. So you already have it pop up here. So go ahead and click it. Okay, of course, if you are new to any website, don't forget to sign up. When you're done signing up, it's going to take you to this interface. And most times, there are some platforms that you don't even need to sign up. But if it requires you sign up, please do that. Because I did this, it's been a while, but every platform requires that you sign up. Okay, so go ahead and upload the image you want to remove the background. I'll click on the image to upload. This is the image I finished editing. So click on it and automatically, you're not to do anything. You're not doing anything. No stress. In less than 2 seconds, your video or your image, not your video, in less than 2 seconds, your image is done. In less than 2 seconds, the background is off your image and you use it for whatever purpose you want to use it for. Great. This is amazing. Beautiful. Wow. No scars, no issues, no effects. So you can go ahead and download this. If you click here, you're using free. Remember, you're using free. If you want a maximum quality, you can unlock it with premium. You pay. But I'm using this to teach you for free how to use it for free, so you don't have excuses to say you don't have money for this and for that. So you have free version. Go ahead and preview it. That free, the first option there, click there and it will be downloaded into your phone. Boom, you have your image ready for your next design. Learn anything from this short and amazing video, kindly give this video a support by subscribing and turn on the post notification so you don't miss any of my video. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.